In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language of the Amazon app. This will help you see menus, product details, and messages in the language that feels most natural to you. To start, open the Amazon Shopping app on your phone. On both iPhone and Android, the app icon looks the same, with the Amazon name and a curved arrow. When it opens, you should land on the main home screen with the search bar at the top and product suggestions below. Now sign in to your Amazon account. If you are already signed in, you will see your name or profile-related options in the app. If not, the app will show a sign-in button and ask for your email and password. Once you finish signing in, the app returns you to the home screen so you can continue. Next, tap your profile icon. You will usually find this at the bottom of the screen, labeled with a person symbol or the word "you." After you tap it, the screen switches to your account area, where you can see your orders, account settings, and other personal options. At the top section of this profile screen, look for a small flag icon with the letters EN beside it. It sits near the settings gear icon and the notifications bell icon. The flag and EN together show that your app is currently using English. If your app is already in another language, the letters and flag may look different, which is normal. Tap the flag icon, then choose language. When you tap it, a new screen appears that lists available language options. This language section is where Amazon groups all the supported languages for the current app region, so the list might be shorter or longer depending on your country. Now select your preferred language from the list. Take a moment to scroll and find the exact version you want, for example, a specific regional variant if it appears. When you tap a language, you might see a small check mark move to that line, showing it is selected. Some languages might appear grouped with a country name to indicate local wording differences. If the app prompts you, choose the appropriate country or region that matches your choice. This tells Amazon which local store and catalog to use with that language. Picking the correct region helps with prices, shipping options, and which deals you see on the home screen. After confirming that, tap Done or Continue. The exact button text can vary, but it will appear near the bottom of the screen. When you tap it, the app saves your language and region choice immediately, so there is no extra save step needed. The app may refresh or even briefly restart to apply the new language. You might see the screen go blank for a moment, then the home screen returns. Once it loads, menu labels, buttons, and many messages now appear in the language you just chose. If you want to change it back to English later, just repeat the same language steps and select English, for example, United States English Amazon.com. Then tap Done, and the app updates again. You have now changed the language of your Amazon Shopping app and matched your browsing and Amazon messages to that language. If this helped you get Amazon reading comfortably in your language, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more simple app guides.